Hey guys, this is Amy and today she will show you how to make a fluffy and stretchy slime. Let's start. So she's adding clear gum glue. Use any amount that you like. To make it fluffy, she'll be using shaving foam. A bit less than what you've put into the glue. Mix it well. She loves glitter, so she's adding different colors of glitter in it. It's almost like baking. To add a little bit of color to the slime, we're using some chalk powder. So with a knife, we just made a little bit of powder and it will be a pink slime. You can also use old makeup powder that you no longer use. Our activator is borax and water. So we mixed half a teaspoon of borax into 1 cup of hot water and then slowly add it to your mixture. And you will see that it will come off the walls of the container.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.